Good morning, sweeties. My name is Mrs. Hogger. Welcome back to school. Now we are going to revise what we studied last year about collecting data. So now I have some of animals as we see on this picture. I have cats and also I have frogs and I have giraffes and I have turtles. So, how many types of animals? I have cats, frogs, giraffe, and turtles. So, if I need to know how many giraffes on this picture, who can tell me? So, look and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super! It's 4. I have 4 giraffes. Okay, now who can tell me how many cats? 1, 2, 3. Excellent! I have 3 cats. Who can tell me how many frogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. Super! It's 6. I have 6 frogs. And the last one. How many turtles I have on this picture? Look and think. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. No, it's wrong. It's not 3. Look and count again. 1, 2. It's 2. Super, it's 2. So I have 2 turtles. So we show on our graph. I have 4 giraffes with blue color and 3 cats with green color and 6 frogs with red color, and the last one I have 2 turtles with purple color. So our paragraph elements. A paragraph uses bars to show a picture of the collected data. So I have this line, and this one is called vertical label. It's called what? Vertical label or vertical line. It tells me what? It tells how many prefers each color. It tells me what? It tells me how many prefers each color. I also have another line. This one is called horizontal label. It's called what? Horizontal label or horizontal line. It tells me what this line. It tells me the favorite colors. It tells me what? It tells me the favorite colors. So, my favorite colors on this graph: red, green, purple. It tells me what the graph about. It tells me what the graph about. So, who can tell me from where I'm going to start read? We are going to start from 0. We must start from 0. So let me take an example. In our school, the number of participated students in school activities, I have music, art, swimming, football, and computer. So I need to know how many of students participating the music activity, and how many in art activity, and how many in swimming, and how many in football, and how many on computer. So we said before, we start from 0, and then we are going to use our ruler and put it on the top of the board to read the number. So the first one on music. How many students participate music? Super, it's 6 students only. So how many? It's 6. Okay, on art, how many students? It's 8. Super, so how many in art? 8. Who can tell me how many in swimming? Look at the graph and then tell me. Excellent, it's also 6. Like music. Okay, the next one. How many football? Use my ruler. It refers to 12. I have 12 students participating football activities. And the last activity, computer. How many students? It's 8. Excellent. How many students? It's 8. And now, enjoy watching the next video.
Teddy says hello. He wants to count and graph with us today. So let's get started. Right down here, as we read the directions, it says count and color in the number of squares. So we are going to count how many Native American girls we see on the side over here. So count with me. 1, 2, 3. So then over here, we have to fill 3 squares in. 1, 2, 3. Teddy says, "Woo, that's excellent." Let's do another one. Here is a turkey. So we come over here and count again. How many turkeys do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we come over to our graph and we have to fill 5 squares in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go to our next area and here is a teepee. So let's take a look. How many teepees do we count? Count with us. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go to our graph and we color 4 squares in. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how the 4, how that lines up? And the 5 here because we had 5 turkeys and 3 Native American girls. So we go to our last one. Native American boys. Count with us. 1, 2, 3. Looks like 3. So we come over to our graph and we color in 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Daddy says we did it. We did it. We filled up the graph. Now we can look at it very easily and we can see that there are 3 Native American girls, 5 turkeys, 4 teepees. You look over here, and how many Native American boys? That's right, 3. That was super fun. Teddy says, see you later.
And now, thank you for listening and bye bye.